So, Kelvin, I snore, but my doctor said I don't have sleep apnea. What can you do?
So in our office, we do offer our snore appliances here. So with our snore appliances, we'll have our patients come in. We'll do a 3D scan, as you can see right here. We'll take just a 3D scan of the teeth, just so we can have it customly built for you. And what we do offer here is basically just like our Invisalign programs, but we just change a little things differently, just so we can help you out with your snoring. Now, granted, when it comes down to it, we'll also have it so that way you can transition from your sleep appliance or your snore appliance to your sleep appliance. So that way it's a little bit more easier for you, and just so you're not having any difficulty sleeping, snoring, any sleep apnea or anything difficulty related to sleep. So please come on down so that way you can get your own custom appliance.